In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily detach audio from a video using Clipchamp. This is a straightforward and efficient way to separate audio from your video files, allowing you to create a standalone audio track in just a few simple steps. Whether you're preparing a new soundtrack, a podcast intro, or simply preserving audio memories, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly. First, ensure that you have Clipchamp open on your computer. Clipchamp is a user-friendly online video editor known for its versatile editing tools, which makes this task hassle-free. Once you're in, navigate to your media section. This is where all your video and audio files are stored and organized. If your video isn't already there, import it from your device to make it accessible for editing. Simply drag and drop the file or use the import button to upload the video you wish to work on. With your video loaded onto Clipchamp's editing panel, you'll want to focus on that particular file. Right-click on the video thumbnail in the editing panel. A context menu will appear with various options. For our purpose, hover over the option that says Audio. You'll see a further option labeled Detach. Click on Detach, and Clipchamp will automatically begin the process of separating the audio from the video. Once you click on Detach, something quite handy happens. Clipchamp extracts the audio track and downloads it immediately for you as an MP3 file. This feature saves you time from manually saving the file and ensures you have it stored directly on your computer as soon as the process is complete. This detached audio file is now perfectly ready for you to use, be it in a new video project, an audio mix, or for any other creative purpose you have in mind. Concluding the process, take a moment to confirm the audio file has been downloaded. You should see the MP3 file in your default downloads folder. From here, it's easy to relocate the file to the appropriate folder where you can organize it with your other audio projects or files. The process to detach audio in Clipchamp is as uncomplicated as it is effective, making it accessible for both beginners and more seasoned editors. Remember to leverage Clipchamp's other features to further refine your video or audio projects, and always ensure to keep your media files organized for easy access. With these steps, you're fully equipped to manage your multimedia content creatively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more valuable tips and tutorials on digital media projects. Until next time, happy editing.